Hey y'all, welcome to or welcome back to Dave's Tech Way, whichever the situation may be. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, overview, and review of the Deepcool Tesseract SWH computer case. I got the white one with the side panel, so stay tuned and we'll do the unboxing and overview, and at the end I'll give you my conclusion on the case after I do a build in it. I'll be right back. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this Deepcool Tesseract case. I opted for the white one just to be a little bit different this time. So let's get this thing opened up and we'll see what all comes in the case and what it features. First thing is to get the top of it open. Make sure your handles are pulled out. Flip it over. Lift the box up off, try not to kill the lights. Throw that to the side. We're going to remove the styrofoam. And like most of my cases, guys, this is roughly a $50 case. It's more on the budget side. Most of my cases are budget. I'd rather spend the money on better components. Alright, by looking at the front of it, looks like it's pretty well all mesh. It does have some expansion bays for 5 1/4 inch bays. And one down here for like a cord reader or something, a little bit smaller one. On top, your front I/O, you have your power light, looks like an activity light, USB 3, mic, headphones, USB 2, restart switch, and your power switch. Looks like you got some ventilation up here for two 120mm fans. On the side over here, we do have a side panel that's got some, looks like ventilation and possibly another mount for another 120 fan, looks like. Take the side panels off here. Yeah guys, if you look down here, it does look like that's ventilation for a 120mm fan down here. Well, actually it looks like there's a 120mm fan and 2 spots on the side panel of it. That'd be pretty nice if you need extra fans in your system. There's one token off. The other side panel pops off. Case, looks like we got 3 sleds here for 2.5 inch drives. We got 4 sleds here for 3.5 inch drives. Looks like they are a toolless design. They got little prongs that slides into the screw holes. So you shouldn't have to have any screws to install your hard drives. It should be toolless. Which we'll get into that when I get into the build. Looks like you got 3 spots up here for 5 1/4 inch bays for your optical drives or whatever else you may need. There's a bag of goodies that we get. Looks like you got your owner's manual here. Looks like we have some zip ties. That's pretty cool. That's pretty long zip ties for a cheaper case. And what else do we got in here? Looks like you got a speaker, some and all the screws necessary. Don't look like there's any extra standoffs in this case, but it should be all right. Talking of standoffs, looks like it supports the mini ITX. Looks like it should fit pretty well anything besides an ETX board back here. So looking at the board while we're here, let's get these front cords undone. We'll see what they have as far as the front cords go. You got USB 3, which is actually black. It looks like they also give you a little USB 2 attached to the USB 3, just in case your motherboard don't have it, looks like. You got USB 2 for your front USB 2, HD audio. And looks like we have a power LED switch, power switch, and the HD LED. I thought there was another one here. There it is. That one's sneaking away from me. And we also have the reset switch. pretty standard. By looking at the back of the case here, looks like there's, looks like cable management may be a little tight in this case. They don't look like there's a whole lot of room back here for cable management. You know, you have to be a little bit more creative with your cable management. There ain't a whole lot of room. Maybe put a lot of excess back here behind the your drive trays here, maybe. But the rest of it don't look like there's a whole lot of cable management to it. Looking at the bottom of the case, you do have a dust filter for your power supply, which I'd rather see one with a black plastic housing that slides out. But at least it does have one for you. 120mm fan in the back that's already pre-installed. I believe it's a blue LED is what they say. Got 7 expansion slots, which looks like most of them are not going to be replaceable. Yeah, they ain't going to be replaceable. It kind of breaks out. Looks like the one top one is replaceable. You can take it out and put it back in, but the rest of them ain't like that. You got your IO shield hole. Power supply mount down at the bottom. On this white case, they only include one fan. I believe by reading on the black cases, they come with 2 fans, one in the back and one in the front. Let's see what the front of this case looks like. Alright, by looking at the front of it, can support a 120mm fan up here in front over top of your hard drives if you need it. But it seems to be pretty standard case. Looks like there's a slot right here for maybe another 3.5-inch drive or something if you need it. Or is that where? Nope, that there's where you screw in like a card reader or something. Oh yeah, guys, it's pretty well your basic $50 case. Let me get the build done in it, guys, and I will be back with my conclusion on it. On this system in this case, it's the Deepcool Tesseract Case. For 50 bucks, it ain't too bad of a case, really. I like the way the hard drives mount into it. The SSDs, you do have to put some screws into them. That ain't toolless design, which that's all right. The 3.5-inch drives, the hard drives, it is completely toolless. The one thing I really don't like about it, see if I can get you a picture of it, is my 8-pin CPU cable. They don't have a hole up here in the back motherboard tray to fit that cable through. So you go around run across the front, which ain't that big of a deal, I guess. But I'd rather keep everything behind the motherboard tray, and you know, just help keep the wire management a little bit better looking. Talking about the wires, you know, they give you a black USB 3 port, which is nice. But your USB 2 and your front audio connectors have got this red and blue and green and white wire showing. Along with this USB 2 plug-in they give you on the USB 3, just in case your motherboard don't have it, it's also got them different colors. I mean, if they just extended them sleeves out a little bit longer, they could have made them all black and made them nice looking. But, you know, it is a $50 case. It only comes with the one fan in the back, which is the blue LED fan, which I don't know. That'd be your opinion on if you like that or not. Me personally, I'd rather have it white to match the rest of the case. Wire management. I haven't done the wire management in it yet, as you can tell right here. But I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit of a bear because there ain't a whole lot of room back here for your cable tie downs to be able to keep everything flat. So yeah, I think they should have gave you a little bit more room back here in the back for your cable management. I think they could have done it. You got some tie down spots here down the center to tie your cables down, but you don't have nothing over here on this side to help you really tie anything down. Of course, the ones over on this side would be for your 8-pin, which you can't run around back anyways. But yeah, guys, for $50 case, and the cases I've been looking at for 50 bucks, that ain't too bad of a case. I'd probably recommend it. I'm spoiled to the Corsair 200R case, which is a lot better money, a lot more case, a lot better case for the money. I mean, it seems to be pretty sturdy, and it holds all your components all right. And it does have the hard drive activity light, which I like. So yeah, I'd recommend this case for a $50 case. Like I said, the blue LED would be your choice, but you can always swap that fan out for another one if you'd like to. Review and unboxing of this here Deepcool case. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit that thumbs down button. Leave me a comment if you think there's something else I should have covered that I didn't. Or if you have any questions about the case, I'll answer them the best that I can. And you all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.